Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th Edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 8, Basic Level. Question number 8. Junwei is a bus driver who earns $1,600 per month while Leixin is a manager who earns $6,800 per month. In 2012, Junwei donated a total of $1,200 to charitable organizations while Leixin donated a total of $4,500 to charitable organizations. Who denoted a higher percentage of his or her annual income to charitable organizations? In order to compare percentages of donations made by Junwei and Leixin, first we have to calculate total annual income of Junwei and Leixin. As there are 12 months in a year, therefore we multiply monthly income by 12 to get annual income, so Junwei's annual income is $19,200 and Leixin's annual income is $81,600. Now we have to calculate percentage of donations for both people. To do so, first we divide their donation amount by their annual income, then multiply the result by 100 and place percentage sign next to it. Now by using this formula, first we calculate percentage of donation made by Junwei. So we divide amount of donation made by Junwei, that is $1,200, by annual income of Junwei, that is $19,200, and multiply by 100 as shown. Now simplify the fraction. Note that if there are zeros at end of number, we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. After simplification we have fraction 25/4. Now convert fraction 25/4 to a decimal number by dividing 25 by 4. By dividing 25 by 4 we have 6.25, therefore, Junwei has donated 6.25% of annual income. Now repeat same method for Leixin. First divide donation amount of Leixin, that is $4,500, by Leixin's annual income, that is $81,600, and then multiply by 100. Note that if there are zeros at end of number, we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction as shown. After simplification we have 375/68. Since it is a fraction, so divide 375 by 68 to get a decimal number. By dividing 375 by 68 we have 5.51, therefore, Leixin has donated 5.51% of annual income. By comparing donation percentages of both Junwei and Leixin, we can see that percentage of Junwei is higher than that of Leixin, therefore, Junwei has donated higher percentage of annual income. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.